CryptoEL here. Today we're gonna talk really quick about Xpet. This thing on the right side, probably you've seen it in previous videos, but I never actually talked about it. So down in the description there's a link. Also I created a whole file like that in which you're gonna find out the airdrops that I'm providing, that I'm participating in. They will just start to grow. I'm gonna add some more the platforms for free crypto that you can earn in this moment, the wallets that you can join that I have referral links in, the coins that I'm following, and they can be a big opportunity in the future. The codes you can use, the bots that I'm using for trading, you can use them as well. In this one there is a massive airdrop that is yet to come. So take the opportunities, there's a link in the description. Subscribe to the channel and let's see what is this opportunity. So link in the description will be Xpet Tech and this will be the code. Don't forget to put that code in there. Probably I will not be able to show you exact what to do, but you just come in here, you should down ORX wallet, you just register, make the wallet and all of that to your mobile or desktop. Then you add it to the Chrome extension. You're gonna have it here. This is the extension. And you're gonna have Xpet, Xpet and Ethereum for now on Arbitrum 1. So what to do now? Like you can see I have a pretty cool looking pets. They're hungry. This pet I just won it because I participated in some treasures. That's how they're called. So you just every day you have dailies. You open 2 chests per day. Those chests will contain a lot of different things. Like you can see, I won the axolotl from here. Just participated, do these things, follow, like, retweet and reply. And they're all ended. So we're left with just daily claim. When you start, probably you're gonna have the new buy treasure. Already open it, and I think this thing will give you a pet, something like that. Should be. And yeah, I participated in those two. You're gonna have, when you set up your hunt, gonna have 20 food. That's pretty important. I'm gonna show you right now. And this is a different thing that I got involved, but don't know if I won anything. So I'm gonna show you how to do the daily. You just click on treasure, click on claim treasures on profile and click go. This will send you to their page. When you do everything else, when you register with my link, with my code Xpet 653FA5C4, you're gonna receive something like that, a normal pet. And unfortunately I don't have higher level pet and cannot show you what is to fight, farm or PvE. Yes, you need at least level 7 for that. But I wish you luck to do it by yourself. And soon, when I reach it, I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna start and you're gonna receive 35 of those. I'm not completely sure, something like that, when you finish all of the treasures. And this will give you enough bpets to just level up to level 4. And from this point on, you're just doing the dailies. Like you can see, this cat is hungry. You can feed it to here. 3 hearts, 2 hearts, 1 heart, but... and there is weapons, items, but in my In my case, it's not worth it because my pets are not fighting at all. So I just lost a lot of food, but never mind. So you can just come here. You saw already. Every day you can claim 2 treasures. In our Twitter, open your chest and bring your pet. What are the conditions? You just go in their profile, finding things like this with the chest, and going down you should see this thing like that. This one is not working, so like that, and it says reply with text greater than 16 characters, includes Xpet. You can just copy from someone else, or okay, never mind. This guy just copied the whole. Okay, never mind. Never seen that. Yeah, some of the people are just... I didn't expect. Did I? What we have done? Okay, never mind. Let's do it again. Is it here? It is. Let's do it. 4, 8, 12, 16. So let's check. Click open. That's it. I got 1 chicken. And you have 1 more like that. Just find out 1 more with a chest. Sometimes it could be kind of hard or not existing at all. You should check a little bit later. Let's check now again. Hope to find it. Sometimes even at your own posts you have those kind of chests, but I don't know if they're working. We can check. No, I don't have them. I have them here. Let's see. No. Oh yeah. Let's see if it is gonna work. It worked. 1 more chicken. So this is the 2 dailies that I don't have more dailies, just 2. Like you can see now I have 19. And from time to time those 18 I got it exactly by this way, just the dailies. And the whole point is just to level up at least to level 7 so you can start playing. But to level up you're gonna need 35 now. So it will be time consuming. You can refer the game. If there are people that got lucky and making better results, you will make results as well. That's why my link is there. And it's a pretty fun game. Also, in the future, not sure, but there were some kind of airdrop that will yet to come, not sure. And also, you're gonna earn, like you can see, this is $5. You can claim them. You can claim them and make them to real money. Probably when I make higher level and fight and PV and farm and whatever, then I can wear a hat. And the hat empty, not found. Ah, never mind, I don't have it. Let's check here. What means farm? Your pet must be level 7. And this is berry factory, level 10. So you saw the opportunity. Go in the link in the description. You're gonna find this file and this link as well. There are a couple more that you can participate in. I have different videos about Unibot, about the grass airdrop. This is gonna be big thing in a couple days. I can show you here. Couple days the whole thing will went to another stage. Here you can see. Now is epoch 2. and on March 8th at 12 p.m. this will go to probably Epoch 3 or something like that. You can see there was a closed alpha Epoch 1, I participated for like 20 hours, and now it's Epoch 2, I done 25,000. So this thing can make you real money, don't miss the opportunities. Thank you for your time, subscribe to the channel.